I know self-awareness tips and tricks after doing 9 years of ENFJ inner work, 7 warnings, but also solutions for an ENFJ. I will go over a few essential, crucial stories that I have experienced that are important. 1. Believing others are more important. 2. Not understanding that you were thinking. 3. Not valuing yourself. 4. Not making a plan. 5. Carrying all kinds of burdens. 6. Feeling stuck. And 7. Assuming fault, feeling guilty. Believing that you are not as important as others. You will see here that I'll draw a matrix. And in this matrix, you will see 4 belief systems of others. So this could be family, friends, a coworker or client, or maybe even a stranger. And just because there are certain belief systems, that is a mistake. That doesn't make it true. And so what I encourage you to do is to challenge that belief system and to think like, oh, okay, I actually care. I'm a lovable person. And so other people are not more important than I am. And what that means is that you deserve just as much respect as others that you care about. So specifically your thoughts, your emotions, the physical things inside of your body are just as important as anyone else's. In my training, we go deeper into this matrix. Not understanding that you are thinking. A big mistake that ENFJs tend to make is not understanding that their thoughts are different from others. Your thoughts are specifically mostly about other people. When you do a meditation, it's important to recognize this and to notice, hey, how often do my thoughts go to other people? This might change every single moment by moment, but if you not understand that you are thinking in that moment, it might be really hard to practice being mindful. And it's a big mistake because your self-awareness will stay stuck. If you recognize any of these signs, please hit the like button. A mistake you might also make as an ENFJ is not valuing yourself. If this is the case, then I am so sorry for your struggle. In our training, we go deeper into why you are valuable and how you can feel this within yourself. Not making a plan. At times, I felt stuck hanging out with other people and listening to their problems. And when you do this, you don't carve out times to do the things that you actually want to do. This could be sporting, healthy meals, anything, going for walks. Plan it out. Not making a plan gives other people too much power. Carrying all kinds of burdens. When I was doing yoga poses, I realized some yoga poses help me release these. Feeling stuck. Learning new things will help you with thinking less about other people. In this case, maybe even obsessing over other people and their negative energy. Releasing these with something new that you can learn. But how to start, right? Well, sometimes we just don't get started at all, and just start where you are, wherever that is. It might be like for me, it took me like a month or so to figure out, how do I want my yoga mat? How do I want my meditation pillow? What meditation pillow do I even want? I've learned so many new things, and if I let myself stay stuck thinking about other people's negative emotions, I would have never made all this progress. So I encourage you to, every step matters, no matter how small it is. Assuming fault or feeling guilty. I noticed within myself when I didn't love myself so much that I became obsessed with how other people reacted to things and to me. So, for example, someone was being very arrogant no matter where they were, they took that behavior. But when they were around me, I always felt like that overwhelmed me and like I had to change something about myself. Someone feeling anxious everywhere they went, but blaming it on me when I was just at the wrong time, at the wrong place, doesn't mean that I created something that was actually scary. So, assuming that it's my fault and feeling guilty is not fair to me. And yeah, that might be something to let go of. It's not always easy to prioritize yourself, too, but you are meaningful too. So, try and prioritize yourself, too. Or book an intake.